In this video, we will continue working to identify industry information, this time coming from industry trade reports and associations. Industry trade reports and association information are valuable research resources since the data usually come from analysts or organizations who are actively involved within the industry. We will begin by going to the Business Information Services homepage. In case you don't remember the link, the URL is library.illinois.edu/BIS/. Like in our previous videos, we will be using Jimmy John's Sub Sandwich Firm as our company of choice. We will navigate to Associations Unlimited, which can be found underneath the BIS Databases link. On the alphabetical list of databases, we will click on Associations Unlimited, followed by the Gale Databases link. Once in the database, we can do a subject search, which will help us find associations related to franchising or the sub-sandwich industry. Under free text, let's try franchise. Once the results are displayed, we can scroll through and click on relevant titles for our research. For example, the International Franchise Association, which will direct us to a short summary of the association along with relevant URLs and other information about the association, such as the primary contact, the year founded, and the budget.
Particularly important to note is the Publication Information category, which provides a link to any publications that are produced with the particular association. Associations often maintain their own publications, and these periodicals can serve as a valuable source of in-depth industry information. In this case, the publication, called Franchising World, is affiliated with the International Franchise Association. We can explore this in greater detail through the link to the association's page, where we can also explore any particularly relevant information about their work. In this case, we can look at finding information related to opening a franchise, as well as other franchise opportunities across the United States. Under the Resources tab, we see that there is a link to the Franchising World archives. Clicking on this link pulls up a list of recent articles and publications from the periodical. Additionally, we can visit the main website for Franchising World and explore its content directly, especially as it relates to current industry trends and data. As you can see, the magazine combines features and best practices to provide the reader with an up-to-date perspective on the current trends facing franchises in both the United States as well as around the world.
Back on the homepage for Business Information Services, we can also go to another key database, ABI Inform, to find more publications and association information. ABI Inform can be found on the left-hand side of the page under Key Databases. We can click on ProQuest Databases and then type franchise and restaurant in the main search bar. Given that there are over 100,000 search results, we will narrow our search based on the source type, in this case trade journals, as well as by the date, looking at articles only from 2010 to the present. First, we begin by searching the source type known as trade journals. Then we use the picker to search 2010 to the present. Scrolling through our search results, we can find recent news on restaurant franchises not only in the United States, but around the world. We can find an article, such as this one, on Subway, where Subway restaurants was again named the #1 franchise opportunity. Similar articles can be found via searching ABI Inform, as well as other sources, such as the New York Times or Wall Street Journal. For more specific information on a company, such as Subway or Jimmy John's, please refer back to our videos on private company and public company information. If you have any further questions, please contact the Business Information Services team.